bet. We're only waiting for Has Magic. Thank you very much, Mr. Ira Herrera. Has Magic now inside, all set, ready to race. Race number 6. Racing, gas is started. We have Murazel, brake quickly to start. Moving up on the outside, S26, Bush Carnival is down on the inside. Spin Cycle, guns up, then followed over by Dutchless, Has Magic. Next online, Elegancia, while flying Joji. He's the early trailer and going along for the first turn with S26 by our length. Anyway, in second comes enter number 1, Bush Carnival. Moving upon the outside, Spin Cycle. Next online is Muracel, then followed over by Dutchless, Has Magic, guns up. Next online is Elegancia, while flying Joji still racing in behind the scene. Half mile distance, they travel. We have S26 by about 3 lengths, and in second comes Bush Carnival. Spin Cycle alongside, then moving up now to take for his Has Magic. Guns up comes next, Muracel. Elegancia comes next, then followed over by Dutchless, while flying Joji is still running at the tail of the field. Last 400 meters of the race with S26, this time by about 6 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Has Magic, Spin Cycle, Bush Carnival as they swing for home. S26, this time by about 8 lengths. Moving up to take second is Has Magic with about 100 meters of the race. We have S26 by about 10 lengths, and finally S26. Has Magic, then comes Guns Up,